Hi, I'm Fraser. I'm the founder of Integrated STEM, and I'm a robotics engineer that works to solve problems in agriculture. On a day-to-day basis, I see the rapid developments of AgTech that bring efficiency and innovation required to sustain the Australian agricultural sector. But to drive this innovation, the industry needs young minds with AgTech skills. And that's where the journey really begins. We need to support teachers to deliver real-world AgTech education in their classrooms across all of Australia. Something that's transforming how we do agriculture in Australia is automated greenhouses. So what we wanted to do is bring that real-world education to the classroom, so we developed a kit that has a sole purpose of getting students to actually do their own research and get hands-on with AgTech and actually explore how do we optimise growth. So we've spent years developing with engineers and teachers across Australia to design some type of AgTech kit and resources that actually empower teachers, even the teachers with no tech skills. The AgTech kit has all the equipment you need to get started and is provided with extensive classroom resources. Our goal is to have you deliver real-world, hands-on and immensely engaging AgTech experience for your students, quickly, easily and hassle-free.
I've been teaching almost 20 years and I've never done anything like this before. We've gone from a class and a teacher who know absolutely nothing to that teacher can competently walk into a classroom and teach and present and manage and problem solve using Arduino, which was at the very beginning very daunting for them. For me, I'm pretty much self-taught, so what I've since done is actually gotten better. My understanding has increased, my confidence has increased, and now what was a 2-week unit has now become 3 units of 30 weeks worth of work, and everything has been embedded. So for me, I now have confidence to go and build something without having someone there. So there is so much information out there, you have no idea how to wade through it. And then here's Fraser and Lizzie, here's your kit, let's go. From someone who's been there and done everything before, they're just, personally, they are so great to work with, eager to help, and just they share everything they have and what you need and how you need it, which has just been amazing.
We bought kits, integrated STEM kits, originally to integrate into 4 particular units within our Year 8-9 cohorts, and now we're expanding them out into our other cohort levels. So the kids really get a very much a hands-on tactile feel between Tinkercad and Arduino. It really works, it's really easy, and I say easy, I freely admit I'm very old school and I haven't had to get stressed, I haven't had to get multiple trainings, spend hours and hours and hours pulling my hair out, and that's made a big difference for me because I've been keen to take it on then and teach the kids rather than trying to avoid it. I find that really beneficial too because I keep a bit more engaged in my own teaching and I can keep the kids better engaged. I guess the main point to get across with these integrated STEM kits is they are good, they are resilient, they're tough, they handle the roughness of your younger kids, they're easy to problem solve with. The backup support you get's really good as well. Honestly, I would recommend them. I'd recommend them as a teacher, and I know that my head of department here at Chinchilla definitely recommends them. He came to me recommending them.
So we find quite a diverse range of teachers that really want these types of kits and projects. Sometimes it's the tech teachers that want to bring the real-world context of what STEM should be into a real-world application. Sometimes it's the ag teachers that just want a really simple way to get started delivering AgTech and really future-proofing what they're teaching in the classroom. They're scalable across a number of curriculum and will maximise student engagement across a number of year levels. The Greenhouse Innovator project is not just another gimmick. This system has students building and designing solutions with the technologies I use as an engineer. In this project, students construct their own greenhouse automation system, lead their own scientific investigations, and really evaluate how to optimise food production. By controlling automated elements and analysing sensor data, they pinpoint which conditions yield the highest crop outputs. If you're a teacher that really wants to deliver hands-on, engaging AgTech education in your classroom, please reach out to us. Let's work together to revolutionise how agricultural education is delivered in schools across Australia.